Welcome back, road runners, for another episode of VanLife Adventures with Kimberly Adventure Box.
At the light, turn left.
Look at this beautiful art, beautiful nature. Like, that is a painting in real life. Wow, reserves. Like, look at that beauty. Yo, that is so gorgeous. Forget my windows. All these bugs keep flying. Dirt road, y'all. Can't speak clearly. Water crossing ever coming this way.
Or take your stuff and get out. You choose.
It's to you.
Y'all, we could have drove up here, but I got a little exercise in. Trying to get a little closer.
Proceed to the route.
Ritter Island. Had to come check out Box Canyon. It just need a Pemberley Adventure in front of it. So there's all these no nets out here. But there's supposed to be a beautiful waterfall. Y'all think I gotta go for an actual hike? Here goes nothing. We're out here by ourselves at dusk. So we're gonna have to carry this up. Pemberley all the way back there. I'll twist my ankle. I don't know if I went the wrong way or what. Maybe I should have went the other way. Going back to Pemberley. Y'all, I can't do nothing but laugh at myself. Do you know how many times I've cursed, spit, because it felt like a bug in my mouth and I almost tripped. This is why I drive in view. Let me go up this ladder because I can't do two things. Ooh, the light is gone. Let me see. I'm stopped at this rest area. We're about 14 miles from Boise, but it says no camping, so I think I'm gonna keep it moving. I don't know how they enforce it. It's quite a few cars here that look like they gonna be camping. But I found a Flying J's about 8 minutes away from here, so I think I'm gonna get on the highway and see what that Flying J's look like. Y'all, it took me a while to find somewhere to park last night, so I'm a little exhausted today. But we are in Boise, Idaho. I skipped going to the National Monument Moon of the Crater or something. I said I'll go next time I go to Yellowstone. They look pretty close. But we are in Boise, so hopefully I get to see that blue turf. That's something I want to see. Okay, so we're trying Mongolian beef bistro. Ultimately, it's like a buffet where you add all your ingredients and then the chef comes out and cooks it on this huge table, and now we have it to go. So let's go to the van and give it a try and see what it's about. I know you're probably saying, didn't you go grocery shopping? I did. For half my day I worked over there by the pizza place, and then I looked up closest library and there was one in the same parking lot. It was a really nice small library, but like modern, so that was pretty cool. And then as I was walking out, I saw this Mongolian bistro and thought maybe I should try it. Ooh, it's hot. So I have noodles, chicken, beef, pork, mushrooms, and broccoli. Let's try the noodles. They have a good flavor. I probably should put some onions in it. Oh, that's really good. I guess I've been on this noodle kick lately because I like the Korean noodles. This is Mongolian. Okay. I don't know if I just had beef, pork, or chicken. It was a little light, so. But I don't think it was white like the chicken, so maybe it was pork. Oh my goodness, this is good. I honestly thought I wasn't gonna like it, y'all, and I thought maybe I just might have wasted my money because I don't typically, I do try new things, but textures really throw me off. This is really good. gonna do that same routine, work in the van for 4 hours, and then spend my last 4 hours in the library. I worked pretty late. I worked to midnight Eastern Standard Time yesterday, so let me put my seatbelt on and get on this highway.
Unabandoned me. Only he. Stay by my side without fail. You got it. In 1 mile, the destination is on your right, Boise National Forest. The destination.
Because what is the fish
border?
and I take this off.
Might already be in Oregon. I don't know what's coming up. Just coming up.
All right, y'all.
Oh, look at those
Who's gonna catch the fish first? Oh, it's happening.
Well, that's maintenance.
Pablo, it's still heavy.
Welcome to Oregon. Rest area next, right? We made it to the blue turf.